So the City of Columbus has our lead service line replacement program. We started last year, and we're going to replace every service line in the city over the next 12 years. We have partnered with Ohio EPA with a $500,000 grant, and we're replacing lead service lines to every daycare in the city that has a lead or galvanized service line currently with that grant for free.
We now know that exposure to lead can cause serious damage to the brain, but this is particularly true with younger children under the age of 6. Over the years, through both the Ohio EPA and our H2Ohio program, we've worked to help communities remove lead service lines, investing millions to help communities locate and remove more than 16,000 service lines across the state of Ohio.
We don't have any sort of lead contamination in our drinking water, but anytime there is a lead line, there's a risk, ultimately, of exposure, and we want to eliminate that risk. So this is a proactive program, and through this proactive program, we're able to remove lead service lines and remove the risk that would exist otherwise.
I want to repeat, the water here is safe. By replacing these lead service lines now, the city is ensuring it stays that way. This eliminates any future concerns about lead or galvanized lines and gives our daycares peace of mind for years to come.
This speeds up our work to remove every lead and galvanized service line in this city, focusing on the places where kids learn and play.
It makes the work free to the daycare, and it helps us prioritize our funds to continue to remove lead lines throughout the city with other projects as well.